Well, good morning. Today is a big day. We have the inspection, the final, the CO, certificate of occupancy for the guest house. Here we go. Alright guys, so we are busy trying to get all our ducks in a row, trying to get everything secured. As you remember, I got the deck finished, railings up. Yep, that's the railing that stabbed me in the head. Well, the knife stabbed me in the head, the railing just assisted it. But so we are looking to get the CO for the guest house. So we are ready to get out from where we are currently and temporarily move into the guest house. That way we can get settled in. So here we go. Wish us luck. We're gonna need it as soon as I'm pretty sure we're gonna pass today, but fingers crossed. They always seem to find a little something. Okay guys, well, I mean, we passed, so I'm not really surprised, but I am a little. They did find a couple things. We had a breaker in the basement that was supposed to be a GFI protected. I immediately got on the phone with Just Electric, Bob Just, as you remember, give him a call. And he literally came over like within an hour and replaced it. My inspectors were so awesome. They just said, hey, send us a picture that you've done it and we'll approve it. And what they wanted to come back when we get the CO for the main house and just confirm it, and then they'd send everything. So, man, you can't ask for better than that. Nothing else that we need to worry about. I still have a couple things I got to do on the deck here. I've got to put some fascia boards and everything on the front to dress it up, but we are going to do some a little bit more stuff to it, so I can't put that fascia boards on yet. But I know you guys are anxious since we have the certificate of occupancy. Let me go take you on a tour inside. Sneak peek, first look. Turn on some lights in here. So this is the guest house. So we got a little kitchenette over here. Same cabinets we put in the main house we put here. A little mini oven, 2-burner smooth top. We tried to replicate everything we did in the big house that we did there. We got a little coat closet here, which has a surprise in store. Now, one day, when I get really bored and I don't have anything else to do, I have engineered those joists underneath there to where I can remove them and have a trap door into the basement. Now right now the basement is unfinished, but one day I'll finish that out and put the trap door in, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. But we did a nice big cedar table here in the middle. Very similar lighting to what we had before over in the main house, so you're familiar with that. And then, so right off the kitchen is a laundry room, bathroom. Turn the lights on in here. So, vanity, it's hard to get a good angle in there. Stack washer and dryer. We've got a subway tile temporarily putting a curtain in there. Toilet behind the door. And we have a room for a nice big TV, electric fireplace, little seating area, beautiful little living room area. Love it. Same flooring that we did in the other house we did in here. This is the Castlewood oak. And then we kept it open. So the bed is part of the living room. It's a nice studio apartment. We of course matched the rest of the house with the same sconces. And again, what a great view here. We get a lot of deer out here. I mean a lot. So sometimes we will see 6 deer, sometimes we'll see 15 deer. There's a tremendous amount out here. Now, another little trick, another little surprise I love is that we notched out over the top of the closet. Now, you may remember that. I haven't built it yet, but there's a little bed up there, and there's gonna be a ladder running right down that little post right here. And then, of course, we've got a closet here. So, we are thrilled to be done. We got the CO for the guest house. It is definitely very cool to have a place that we can rest our heads that's our own instead of going elsewhere. So I tell you what, there's been a lot of work to get to this point. I mean, a lot of work, and we sure are glad to be done with it all. And well, I take that back. We're definitely not done with it all. We're done with this house, with the exception of a couple little tiny items. But anyway, thank you. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the guest house tour. We'll make sure to keep you updated on any progress that we've done in the future. And anyway, stay tuned for more stuff coming soon.